Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair the OnePlus Watch Lite with an iPhone. To pair, first turn on the watch by pressing and holding the crown button. Once you see the OnePlus logo, release the button and wait for it to boot up. In the meantime, download and install the OHealth app from the App Store. Make sure your iPhone has internet and Bluetooth enabled, then search for OHealth and install it. When the watch finishes booting, swipe left to see the language list. Scroll and select your preferred language. After selecting, the watch will tell you to download the app. Open it on your iPhone. Agree to the terms, then tap on Other Accounts to log in with a OnePlus account. If you don't have one, create it, but remember not to select United States as the service region or pairing won't work. I selected United Kingdom and it works fine. After logging in, go to the device page, tap Add Device, and select OnePlus Watch Lite. Allow the required permissions, and the app will search for your watch. If it doesn't find it, tap Refresh. After a few seconds, it should appear. Tap on it, then tap Pair and confirm with the checkmark. Allow notification permissions and tap Continue. You can allow contacts to see who's calling, or skip it. Allow calendar events and GPS helper if you want weather and similar features. Set your preferred wrist and lock screen if you like, or skip. Wait for the setup to complete, then tap Get Started. You'll have to go through the quick guide on the watch. Unfortunately, it can't be skipped. Once done, the watch is ready to use and will show as connected in the app. That's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. If this video helped, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.